YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, click subscribe if you haven't done that already. Click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video, and like all my videos. If you hear some weird noises in the background, like some growling and moaning and things that you're not sure what's going on, it's my two little dogs. They are playing. I just got home and they always get really excited and they start jumping on each other and playing around, so that's what's happening. If I put them into another room, they would just scratch at the door. I figured this might be a little better. Hopefully it won't be too distracting. I have a little box to unbox for you, and this is an item that I have wanted for a very long time, a few years, from Louis Vuitton. But it's not something that I have been able to justify spending the money on. So when I hit 10,000 subscribers, I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and splurge on this. And I haven't been able to justify it because this item probably cost Louis Vuitton about $5 or less to make, but they retail it for $530, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I have looked at it pre-loved before and haven't really found it at a price that was too much lower than that, or a condition I wanted. This price seemed reasonable enough, and I'll tell you a little more about that. I ordered it from Luxe DH, which I've never ordered from before, so this is a little interesting unboxing to see how they package things, because I've never purchased from them. So there's a little black card, and there's the item with the Luxe DH label, and there's a link to Luxe DH below if you want to check them out. So this is a black envelope that is sealed. Let's open it up, see what we have inside. Several things. Let's see. Empty envelope now. There's a little card of some sort. Here's a postcard from them. Thank you. You can pause that and read it if you would like to do so. And in here they have a, it's an authenticity guarantee. So there's the card. It's like a business card. It's on very thick paper. And there's their authenticity guarantee. And I hope that this is authentic, and it's not that I don't trust Luxe DH. I don't know enough about them, but hopefully they know what they're doing since they've made a business out of this. Another reason that I haven't purchased this item, especially at the cost that it is I know that there are fakes out there that look exactly like the real thing. So I've been nervous about, accidentally getting a fake, and I feel good that this is real. And again, that's nothing against Luxe DH. It's just, I know how good the fakes are. So, because I've seen them online on different websites. That's one thing I do, by the way, is if I'm looking for an item before I buy it on the pre-loved market, I will sometimes try to find it on the fake market. And it's not that I want to buy it fake, it's that I want to see what kinds of fakes are out there to educate myself a little more and try to help me authenticate the item pre-loved before I buy it. It's very tough to do, but at least I am aware, or have a better awareness of whether or not there's a fake of whatever item I'm looking for. Because there are fakes of all kinds of things you wouldn't think there'd be fakes of. Like, I wouldn't think there'd be a fake of this, but there is. All right, let's pull this out and see. We've got it tissue paper here. The tissue paper is kind of stuck to the tape on the bottom of the box, so it got a little ripped there, but it looks like it was wrapped, and here's the back that's all torn up now. It's in, oh, I didn't realize it came in the Louis Vuitton dust bag. That's nice. That wasn't mentioned on the website. So they've put it in a plastic bag to help protect it. That's good. And it's got the dust bag, and there's a tag attached to the item itself. And this is the security tag, it says. So it's probably the same thing that the other companies do, where once you remove that, then the item is yours. So here, I'll open it up and pull it out. Let's see here. Let me get it all straightened up for you. All right, there it is. So this is the Fleur de Monogram bag charm from Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna put my glasses on and take a closer peek at it. It was a little difficult to tell from the photos, and it usually is on this particular item, about scratches and things. And I did want this to be in pristine condition because I made the mistake, I've mentioned this before, of ordering the Facetti's charm, which is the LV charm. I'll put a picture of it here. And I ordered it pre-loved at a really good price, and it was really scratched up and the plating was worn. So I wanted to make sure that I didn't make that mistake again. I wanted the Fleur de Monogram charm to be in pristine condition. And so far this is looking fantastic. I'm actually going to Louis Vuitton tomorrow to look at a couple of things. The Facetti's charm being one of them, actually. I'm planning to sell the one that I have and get a brand new one. I think this looks great. I don't see, like, there are little minor scratches, but I don't see any big scratches. I don't see any plating wear. It's pretty much brand new condition. And anyway, I think I'll take this with me and see if they have one in the store that I can compare this to, just to get a feel for the weight and that sort of thing, the more subtle things. One of the things you'll want to look for in this item is, let's see, on this part of the key ring, see it says Louis Vuitton there, but when you turn it around, can you see the writing there that's etched that has the, I don't know what those numbers are exactly. I don't know if they're, can't read what it says, it's so tiny. The top line. Can y'all read the top line? I don't know. I see like M6111 or something on the second line, something like that. I don't know. But that code is on their keychains like this, so make sure you look for that. If it doesn't have a code like that, there's a good chance that you've got a fake piece. Yeah, so I want to take this into the store and compare it, just get a better sense for myself that this is authentic. And again, that's nothing against Luxe DH. I thought that was packaged perfectly. I'm happy with it. I'm glad I finally have it, even though it's way too expensive. Oh, I was gonna say that too. So again, it retails for $530, and then you'd have to add tax onto that in most instances. I got this for $400, which is a nice savings. That's about as good as you'll get with these, especially in this condition. That's a good price. And what I did was I put it, and I didn't know this was gonna happen, this is just how things worked out. I put it in my cart on Luxe DH. I was gonna get it, and then I was like, I talk myself out of things all the time. So I was like, oh, I don't really wanna spend $400. And then I think it was the next day they sent me an email and said if I went back and bought it, that I could have $25 off. So I ended up getting it for $375. So I thought that was an even better deal. And they gave me a code, which I won't give you because I don't know that that code would work, but you could try that little trick and maybe you'll get a code sent to you. I'll also do a video at some point on ways to wear this charm, because there are a couple of different ways that I've seen that I really like. And I just think this is so beautiful and classy and classic with the colors. They have some other bag charms that are brighter colors that just aren't me so much. I thought this was beautiful. All right, well, that is my first unboxing from Luxe DH. I think they did very well. I will definitely be shopping with them again. And again, there's a link below if you want to go check them out. Thanks for watching. You'll have a fantastic evening. Bye.